guys, it's your girl Latoya K back again with another video. Today I am at Elsher Beach in Portmore. I'm going to have lunch with my friend. See him there? See the big back one? Back there, guys. Big back, big back, big back, big back. Yeah, guys, so we're at Elsher Beach and we are walking because we are foot at high pit. We are walking up on the beach, you know. Go see what going around there. Some nice fish and festival. And you know, say Elsher, you come from get the best fish and festival in Jamaica. If you want fish and festival, Elsher Beach is the place to come. What you have to say about that big back?
Right, Louise? Right. Yeah. We're gonna have some nice snapper and some festival and race.
Drink 2 Cyril beer.
Okay.
And whole of chill vibes. Yes, so stay tuned, people. Yeah, guys, so Elsher setting. We're at Elsher Beach in Portmore. When we soon see the beach, we are walking up on the property, you know, so stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys. One, fish or lobster? I him a pay for everything, you know. Broke boy, yeah? Boy broke. Guys, you see when you not get friend, don't pick up a broke friend. Pick up a friend who like spend money. You see when you take up a friend where tight with money, you never suffer.
No, we
You
don't.
never suffer. Don't take up a friend where tight with money, guys.
I'm on enough.
Boy, I mean, you see?
I'm on enough.
Boy, I mean?
Yeah, bro.
Boy, I mean?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
It's early, you know.
It's early. What time they start Friday?
Them start Friday anytime people come, but I guess we early, so if we did go there and call them would have start Friday. But better to say it early so nobody for people. And the midday I go see people start come. People come over here, come sit down and eat, left work and come over here, come sit down and eat lunch too, you know.
Saturday too, then.
Yeah,
Come here Saturday too.
I come at Saturday.
I'm a friend of mine.
Guys, look at this beautiful view. We are at Elsher Beach in Portmore. Look at the view, guys. Breathtaking view. Oh, this used to be my favorite hangout spot in my early 20s.
Chill spot.
Yeah. Used to be my favorite.
Yeah, walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's swing.
My favorite little hangout spot, guys. Elsher Beach in Portmore.
Which I really have to get close, huh?
Guys, Jamaica is so beautiful. If you live in Jamaica, guys, you just have to have your money. Because Jamaica is a beautiful, beautiful country. Seriously. You're all quick. You're all out. But with that, you tell us at MDR. You mean? Guys, so me I show him Squeeche's restaurant, guys. And me I tell him, say, yes, so all of the artists, them come when them come a beach. You're the boy ball out, no, we not eat. The boy broke it, guys. Him for the better, guys. No, guys. The boy have to do really better. The boy said, no, we not eat. We not eat. No. But yeah. Where you been for them? Guys, it's the boat them. The boat them. And them boat and the fisherman them go out and go catch the fish them and bring in fresh catch. Fresh catch. Guys, over Elsher, it's not like it was back then, you know. Over here kinda kinda mash up little. But we still embrace it. Cause the nature of it is still here. Alright, that's about always come, McCleary. Yeah. Yes, that's my favorite chill spot. Not for eat fish, you know, just to sit down and look out. See it. Yeah. Go around there, go show you. If a little catty come, if a little girl come, you can't come right here, so. Right here, so? Yes, so nice. Yeah. See guys, you can sit right here and see Kingston. Let me zoom in. Kingston is right there, guys. So I'm in Portmore and we're looking at Kingston. Right here, yes, so I come for chill out. Like if I go on a little date night. You see the plane I go over airport there? You see it? The plane I go land over airport, guys. So normally if I wanted to come on a date, I'm say, you know, I want to chill out. So I say, come I go Elshan. Yes, so we come. I will sit down and watch the sunset, guys. You see, at evening time, guys, the breeze, yes, so we put it to sleep. Trust me. Yes, so, yes. Why, so I put him to sleep right you know. Yeah, man, right here so nice. I'm not telling a lie. Right here so. Right here so. Guys, right here is the chill spot. Right here. I kid you not. Me I recommend you come right here. So I'm showing you. I'm video it and show you. Yes, so you for come sit down and chill. I don't really eat at the restaurant here, but for chill, yeah. You're so cool and nice. And you just look out on Kingston. You're looking over on Kingston right there.
Lucky thing I know about phone. Life is here to live. Life is here to live. Live life. One life. Everyone has to live. Have to just live and live it with no fear. Do your best. Oh, yes. All the scene. Everything just get bad. Hey, put on your shoes, you know. You come like you can't manage even the sun. You enjoy the scenery? Yeah. Wow. Baby. Oh. Yeah, me catch him, man. Yeah.
Today. So the boy there, they are Elsha Beach are living best life. Yeah. See Baba socks and sandals like him just stepped down out of a plane from New York.
You just come from Canada, your own Canada.
Elsha Heights.
That's it.
Oh, Jamaica is such a beautiful place, guys. But that's still a little money and we're good. So which part we are going to eat? We can go Andres there, so. Yeah. So hot, bad man.
Oh. Santico over here, say, man. Last time I come over here, say it's a shark. I come by the people, but tell the people to come to the water. Yeah. I want my socks. This is the 7 one.
Yeah? Pounds. Gosh. For a long time since that. Why? I'm thirsty. Huh?
How will Rising Star?
You done?
The winner of the 2024 Kyrgyzstan Rising Stars is
Guys, so unfortunately for this section, I have to do mostly voiceover because there is music playing in the background, and you know YouTube doesn't play about these things. Here we are, we're at Bev and Sons. This restaurant was one of my favorite little restaurants to come on Elsha Beach because I had a friend that worked here. And you know, you have to get a little discount here and there when you have a friend work somewhere. So right now here we are, we're about to go and choose our fish because that's how it's done in Elsha. You choose what you want, choose the fish that you want, you tell them how much festival you want, how much bami you want, and they prepare it for you. So you know it's gonna take a little while to prepare, but you know fish still not take too long, but you know it's a wait. You have to wait, you have to choose your fish and then you wait. I'm gonna let you guys hear us ordering. Hold on.
They look good. I mean, I take the snapper car brown stew more. I'll go to the carrot and brown stew too.
Yeah, dude. Y'all give me sitting?
How much a pound, you know?
2,400.
Where you take snapper or carrot?
Try them better for it.
Where you want?
I mean, two of them.
You take the snapper if I steam you want.
That's why I eat.
I eat brown stew.
I will take the brown stew.
The true one, I want everything.
Right.
That's fine for anyone who wants to take it.
So I want of them. I'll take one of them.
Then I want the snapper. Take the snapper, man.
Oh, we're down.
You like parrotfish?
Yeah, man.
It's the same one parrot fish, so you want 2 parrot?
Yeah.
And 2 are good?
I don't eat that so much. Yeah.
2 big? Alright, watch your weight.
That too. I'll do it hard.
Hard.
Yeah, give me them 2 there.
Yeah.
It's hard for watch. The food too nice. Hey guys, so we're at Bev and Sons. See there? Bev and Sons. And we're about to get down in some nice tasty brown stew fish. Yeah. Yeah?
We are done with them.
Yeah guys, we ordered our fish and we're about to wait. So meanwhile we're gonna wait, we're gonna order a little refreshment, because you know we can't sit down on a dry throat thing. So we're gonna order 2 little soft drink and 1 little cranberry juice and go and chill and drink until our food ready. Guys, I'ma tell you, say the little beach, the little and festive, you know guys, because of 2 setter side chicken thing on the beach, you know. So guys, we have to be mindful of how me pipe my camera. But say here I am minding my own business, videoing. And this man say, hello baby girl, mind what you do with the camera here. No make the camera catch me, none at all. And him so call woman there, you know. And the man I said, no make the camera catch me, none at all, my girl, none at all. So you know right away, you said that is a side chick and him cannot be seen nowhere with she. Guys, the little beach, the little festive, may I tell you. So see we are, where they are go and chill and wait for our little food. And we just enjoy the breeze, we just enjoy the scenery, guys. Guys, me have to know where me I do for the video them, because every man over here with them side chick and the man them don't want to catch them, don't want to catch them in the video. So me have to be very mindful of being side chick over here today. Guys, here is the food. Brown stew, parrotfish, banana, baby son go all out pan the fish. Yeah, the fish was mwah, chef kiss. The fish was so good, guys. But not exaggerate, the fish was perfect. It never salt, it never fresh, it just nice. The vegetable them nice to cook them, not cook out too much and mash up them al dente, them firm to the bite. The festival them soft. The festival them just melting in your mouth, guy. The bami was just crispy and nice. Yes, we there. We are going down for one next round of drinking. But they drink one cranberry juice before my other one tropical rhythm now, and we are going to get the food. Watch your belly, as I see. I'm happy when him see food. Yeah, guys. Look how quick him digging. Him couldn't wait. Him jumping. Him couldn't wait, guys. But so the boy a shell out now. In a less than 5 minutes, the boy shell down. I feel some mind bone because hospital they far from. Yes, some mind bone. But if it don't tell him some mind bone, with a far from hospital. Mind bone. But may I tell you guys, this food was lovely. The food was delicious, guys. Guys, every now and then I recommend that you guys take the time out to just treat yourself. We work hard. We work very hard. And sometimes we just have to take a mental break. Mental illness is real. Mental health is real. We have to take a mental break, guys. This is a form of taking mental break. This is my friend, my co-worker, and we decided to say, yeah, we're going on the Elsha Beach and we're going to eat 2 fish and festival and we just going to chill, and it was so worth it. It was so worth it. On our day off, and we decided to say, yeah, we're not each up in our house. We're going to treat ourselves because we work hard for our money. A morning time by 5 o'clock, we have to out to reach our work by 6 o'clock, and sometimes around 10 o'clock, we still there work. You understand? We work hard for money. We don't want a body see we. I enjoy them little simple little things in our life and feel so we show off or whatever. We not show off. We work hard. Sometimes 16 hours for the day we there work. Or 3 times for the week we do a 16-hour shift. Him work. Sometimes him work back to back 16 hours all 1 week straight. Him do 16 hours back to back. We not have no life, we not have time for ourselves. So every now and then when we have to take this as our little mental break. Guys, may I tell you the food was lovely. Look how quick the boy shall eat. But say I have to take my little time because I'm afraid of bone. I have to take my little time. I can't do like him. I'm afraid of bone. I don't want a bone bust my throat. I don't want a bone bust my throat. I have to take my little time. The boy eat half of the fish already. So you hear him to me now? Sister, you never can eat half that. I say you never eat it half, but I have to take my time. I can't do like you. Watch him. You want real shell, I know. You see me? When you see me right, I start take my little time and I be very cutesy, very mindful, very demure. I don't want a bone bust my throat. Woo. Yeah, guys, so we sit down there chat the people and we sit down there chat the guy who tell me say don't catch him on the camera. See me there, me have vibes to the music. The music is nice, you see, guys. But you know you can't play music on YouTube and them guidelines and them rules. Yeah, so food nice, guys. The food nice. Bev and Sons. I'm not doing a promotion food, you know, but the food was good. The customer service was good. On the place clean. On the place chilling and relaxing. So I would come. I'll see him. I know I would come again. And there's some always come when I come at Elsha come eat. Bev and Sons. I don't never drop the standard over the years. Wanna never drop the standard, so keep it up, Bev and Sons. Yeah. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the little mukbang. As you can see, we're eating fish. And you know, fish, you can't pour a bring fish on the bone, especially the parrotfish them. You know, the parrotfish them full of some little bone. We can't do the whole heap of talking. We are eating, so we have to focus. We have to focus and eat, guys. Have to focus and eat, especially the one back here. I can't talk to him because I'm eating very fast, you know. I'm gonna want to bone stuck. I'm short and I have to rush with him at hospital. So we are going vibes to little music and we are eat with food. Guys, me say the fly them bit enough, you see. As the fly them still look food, them ready for fly down pan you. Them enough some man. Sure. But guys, you know, can see say the girl I enjoy her little food. You know? Nah, like the fish did nice. You know, reach up to reach up to our me cook brown stew fish, but it coulda eat. It coulda eat. You know your girl make the best brown stew fish. But it coulda eat. Your Bevan son, you do your big one on this. You did your big one on this, Bevan son, and I applaud you for that.
Yeah, guys, so we just done shell down the food, you know. We just done shell it down properly. Shell it down properly, guys. Not even a bone my clearing a life. Not
Like
even a bone the boy say. The boy chew up every bone, guys.
That not right, Louis.
But say every bone the boy chew up him not left no for the dog or the cat them. No for the dog them nor the cat them.
Look.
Hey, the boy shell it down proper. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, the food never bad at all. The food was so good. Money well spent. Enjoy the food. Them boy want sleep, you know. Bed him want go, you know.
Right, Louis?
Right? Growing up on the banks of the hope. Never give up and we never lose hope. Never sell out and never sell down. blessings come forth.
Blessings come forth.
Yahweh is a miracle to make it change. I know ain't no bag on court.
Ain't no bag on board. Coming up on the hands of the Lord.
With them boy, yeah, and demons them. Okay, so we don't eat. My belly full, guys. Right now, my belly big is a shame. Video my belly short people. The belly big. Belly big.
We forgot on a weight loss challenge.
Yeah.
Weight loss challenge.
Them look there. Him need them a fight. Watch them. Need them a fight. Fight one another.
Yeah, check out for that moment.
Guys, so we don't eat and we're going home now. Go home, go get some nice to sleep. Cause my belly well full. So you know that call for sleep. Yeah. So we're heading back.
Oh.
You're gonna catch my one if you're good for you. One. But them run bad. Yeah guys, so we're heading back now. We are cut. The food did nice, guys. We paid 7,900 for the fish and we spent 2 grand pan juice. So we do the maths. In a bad. We spent half a little 10 grand. An easy 10 grand for cheap myself. Nothing wrong with that. That's why I tell us to walk with the 10 grand. I know I don't do the maths, you know.
Yeah, we do the maths, man.
But don't do the maths. So I'm tell us say walk with the little 10 grand.
Yeah, cool, man.
So we spend.
Lataya K. Yeah.
So we spend a little 10 grand, guys. And it's not bad. We are work hard. So we spend a 10 grand and strong up our back. Nothing wrong. Yeah.
That is it. Right.
That is it. Right. Elsha, guys. Come on, foot dirty. Dirty foot, girl. That's why me I go wake up my yard. Me I go. Guys, watch Babylon them. Babylon say jail for me. But the judge said bail for me. Yeah. And I don't know, you know. I make walk a special for me, you know. Oh. What are them? Come. Guys, so we're at the end of the video. It was a good date. The boy is spending money. Him spend off a little easy 10 grand. He never bad. He never bad though.
No, sir.
Your pocket a burn you know?
No.
It not burn you.
My pocket a
Easy,
I could have got 15.
So guys, we're at the end of the video. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Latoya K is here. Big up on yourself. Mwah.
That is it. Oh, yeah. You don't like people play. Is that hotel up here?
Guys, a baby go, yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
How much you that hotel?
3 grand.
It's nice.
Mm.
I said, I don't know you have hotel over here.
Yeah. Time most popular hotel around here. I have a little more, but
Oh, I go around them.
hey, so we don't eat. My belly full, guys. Right now, my belly big is a shame. We don't my belly short people. The belly big. Guys, belly big.
Big bag.
The belly big. Belly big.
You forgot on a weight last time.
Yeah.
Weight last time. Nobody
Belly full up, it can't tuck in.
see.
Yeah, guys. A chimbo body sexy. Them look there. Him need them a fight. Watch them. Need them a fight. Fight one another. Wait.
Yeah, check out for that moment.
Guys. Guys. So we don't eat. And we're going home now. Go home, go get some nice to sleep. Cause my belly well full. So you know that call for sleep. Yeah. So we're heading back.
Oh.
We're gonna catch my one if they're good for you. One. But them run bad. Yeah guys, so we're heading back now. We are cut. The food did nice, guys. We paid 7,900 for the fish. And we spent 2 grand pan juice. So we do the maths. You know bad. We spent half a little 10 grand. A easy 10 grand for cheap myself. Nothing wrong with that. That's why I tell us to walk with the 10 grand. I know I don't do the maths, you know.
Yeah, you do the maths, son.
I don't do the maths. So I tell us to walk with the little 10 grand.
Yeah, cool, man.
So we spend. Yeah. Yeah. Latoya K.
Latoya K. Yeah.
So we spend a little 10 grand, guys, and it's not bad. We are work hard. So we spend a 10 grand and strong up our back. Nothing wrong. Yeah.
That is it. Right.
That is it. Right. Elsha, guys. Come on, foot dirty. Dirty foot, girl. That's why me I go wake up my yard. Me I go. Guys, watch Babylon them. Babylon say jail for me. But the judge said bail for me. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So, guys, I'm gonna cool shit and close up the video. Yeah. Make sure I cool shit. Babylon, I don't know, you know. I make walk a special for me, you know. Oh. What are them? Come. Guys, so we're at the end of the video. It was a good date. The boy is spending money. Him spend off a little easy 10 grand. You never bad. You never bad though.
No, sir.
Your pocket a burn you know?
No.
It not burn you.
My pocket are
Easy,
we could have
easy.
go all 15 grand.
So guys, we're at the end of the video. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Lataya K is here.